Playboy, 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 playboy.
I'm just gonna get started. I really wasn't planning on doing this video, but I'm going out tonight anyway, so I figured why not film it, you know, just cause. And side note, look at this hair, okay? Curls are popping, refreshed, hydrated. Just cause we wear wigs, we ain't bald headed, okay? Okay. I think I want to put it up in a bun. Sometimes you just get sick of wearing wigs, you know? Your edges get tired. You get tired of having to braid and do all that extra stuff. So sometimes you just gotta wear your hair out. Just let it breathe. Ow! And I broke my nail. I've never broken a nail before, but it broke and I literally felt my heart beating in my nail. It was horrible. And side note, if you ever see in my videos that my nails aren't done, you know, and you're one of those people to actually comment and tell me my nails aren't done, like they're not my hands and I don't see them every day, you know, you could just cash at me the $50 it takes for me to get my nails and my toes done, and then you won't have to be so worried about it, you know? And side note, I got contacts, so I can like really see right now. It's so lit. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. It's such a high. You bring me comfort to my soul. You laid. So I used Eco Styler gel first. I love Eco Styler for my natural hairstyles, and now I'm using my Gorilla Snot just to get everything super snatched. And when I say your hair will be in place all day, like maybe even to the next day, for real. It's not the best bun I've ever done, but it'll do. my makeup, I'm going in with my Badescu face spray. And then I'm going to moisturize. Y'all already know, with my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer, of course. So I'm going to be using 2 primers today, and the first one I'm going to use is my little super tiny Porefessional primer, and I'm going to be using that, if I can open it, on my T-zone, so just my forehead and my what do you call that, nose my nose and everything, because even though it's fall time in Georgia, it's still hot, so I'm still sweating whenever I go out, and whenever I sweat, this is the first place the makeup goes, right around here. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Prep. I don't think this is the right bottle. It's not. This doesn't have anything in it. Oh, please. So for eyebrows, I'm going to be using my same old Kiss Top Brow in Ebony. This is my favorite thing to use on my brows, so this is the only thing I use on my brows. Up on my brows today. We gonna fix it though. So I've been liking cleaning up my brows with my Maybelline with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel, I think it is. Yeah. It's so crazy that I can actually like see what I'm doing now with the contacts in. Like, is this what it's like to actually know what you're doing when you're putting on your makeup? This is crazy. Sisters, not twins. Sisters, not twins. Sisters, not twins. So for foundation today, I'm going into my Maybelline Fit Me. Nope. My Maybelline Superstay, and I am in the shade Cappuccino. I just recently picked this up, and I have been using it non-stop. And y'all know that the Fenty foundation is my favorite foundation, and this actually reminds me a lot of the Fenty foundation, like a lot. Yeah, this reminds me so much of the Fenty foundation. I think this may be my new drugstore foundation. Wait, what? Yeah, I think this may be my new favorite drugstore foundation. Like, it's just really, really nice. Then I'm gonna go into my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, and I've been picking this up a lot too. I don't know, this concealer is super bomb. Kind of expensive though, but I think it's worth it. And I used to put on a lot, but literally, this is all I need, and I still get that full coverage look that I want. I used to OD before, I'm not gonna lie. And that was totally unnecessary. Y'all know how I do. Real quick, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna contour with my NYX Contour and Conceal palette, just a tiny bit. concealer sit for as long as I would say like my LA Girl concealer, because it does dry up a little bit faster. So I try to work fast when I'm using this. And then just to brighten everything up, I'm going back into that Maybelline concealer, and I'm just going to take a little bit everywhere I want to really be highlighted. So just on those places right there, and then I'm going to immediately blend it out. So y'all know I love me some Airspun, but today I'm going to switch it up and go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium deep. And I don't use this a lot because it has super, well for me, it gave me like super ghosty vibes when I was taking pictures. Like it had a lot of flashback, but you know, whatevs, I guess. Contour, of course, with my what is this? My Black Radiance contour palette. And y'all know I re-upped on my CoverGirl bronzer. I was down bad for a couple months. Oh God! But I found somebody on Amazon who sold brown bronze. Everybody uses ebony bronze, but I use brown bronze, and nobody was selling brown bronze. Nobody was selling brown bronze, but I finally found somebody who sold it, and I bought like 3. Of course. Then for blush, I actually have been going into my Juvia's Place. Which one is this? Magic palette, and I've been using the shade Zakia for my blush. So I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques blush brush, tongue twister, and I'm gonna take some of that and just dust it. And it's actually a very pretty blush on me, if I do say so myself. That bake, and I'm actually not gonna wipe it away. I'm just gonna tap it in. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, I just can't. That just blew my whole mood. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm dumbfounded right now. What do I do? Whoa. I'm gonna go in with some of my Airspun just to try to fix that. No, I'm not gonna do a wing just because wings aren't really my thing. I'm just gonna do a tiny line, just enough to cover up my lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to be using these Boujee Babe Cosmetic lashes, and they're in the style Goddess. And they're just so pretty and so freaking dramatic and super extra and unnecessary, and I've been wearing them every day. so extra. They're not everyday lashes whatsoever, but I wear them every day. Like, come on now, get into it. I'm just gonna go straight into my Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighter and crown my Canopy. Line, I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here out of my BH Cosmetics palette. Then for lips, y'all already know what's finna go down. Come on now. Fenty Gloss Bomb. And I'm just gonna pack. I didn't mean to put that much on. I'm not gonna lie. To top it off, I'm going in with my Diamond Glow lip gloss. And that's it. I'm ready to step out and be a bad bee. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. Just a quick little get ready with me because I really wanted to post for you guys and I just felt like doing my makeup. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to go ahead and leave your girl a like and a comment, and then go ahead and share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!